You're great at managing tasks, but with the right technology and the right intelligence, you could be a leader. Meet Corrigo, the intelligence-driven platform that's revolutionizing facilities management. For years, facilities managers have had to deal with inefficient, outdated systems, forcing you to spend your workweek patching leaks and wrestling with repetitive work orders. Do more in your workday with Corrigo. How? Corrigo is your secret weapon for better facilities management, combining artificial intelligence, business intelligence, and human intelligence for a custom experience that supports your key objectives. So you can streamline communications, connect with trusted partners, maximize your assets, and a whole lot more. Corrigo is your one-stop solution to simplify task management, boost your impact, and drive bottom-line value. Powered by collective industry insights, easy automation, and predictive decision-making, you can become even better at your job, now and for years to come. See how Corrigo can make you a facilities management visionary. Schedule your demo today.